and welcome back to my channel. And finally got my little babies in today. You can see there's the traditional style headlights. They were brand new. Unfortunately, one of them had broke upon delivery, and because the purchase was too long ago, they refused to replace it. So with the original buckets, I decided to go this route. And boy, does this bad boy look cool. As soon as I can get it to work here. Give me a second. I just got it loosely hooked up, but that's daytime runners. There's my turn signals. I'm just tapping on it. And then here's the high beams. Well, as soon as I can touch on that wire, there we go. And you can run a combination of stuff. You can run it with this one. Well, let me get those two wires closer together. I really like the way these lights look. Boy, are they freaking cool looking. They were made for a motorcycle. But see, you can run the combination like that. So, LED. And I thought they would be pretty cool on here. Just to modernize a little bit. Not anything too far out of the realm, but I don't understand what this green wire is for. It says pass, but it's not doing anything. So I had to read up on that a little bit, but I thought that was cool to show you guys. And I mean, it's direct fit. It fits right in there, no problem. And with a little bit of wiring to separate everything, boy, she's gonna look nice. So I hope you like it. And so that's my one update. There's going to be some more coming in of certain things I'm going to do. But let me know in the comment section what you think. Because to me, I think that's freaking cool. And the cool part is they're DOT approved. So made for highway. So that'd be cool. And these things are actually quite bright. So, but anyways, that's my update for my headlights. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit the like and hit subscribe and let me know what you think. Have a good one.